Article Forge 4.0 Article Forge Review for Content Writing. Hi guys, welcome to Quick Article Forge Review. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the new updates that we are getting with Article Forge 4.0. So let's get into it. First of all, the link for Article Forge is given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now and sign up to get your own free trial. There is also a video on the channel already if you're looking for an in-depth review of Article Forge. So don't forget to check out that video. It has everything you need to know. It has all the benefits and features, why you should use Article Forge, and how to use Article Forge. So you can also check out that channel. The link will be given in the description down below. Now let's check out our new update, which is Article Forge 4.0. Article Forge 4.0 just went live and it is going to absolutely blow your mind. Here is why. Feature number 1. Huge update to article flow and cohesion. One improvement from Article Forge 3 to Article Forge 4 is now articles read better between paragraphs and does not repeat information, so the article has a better cohesion and flow. Long, especially 1500 plus word articles need to be well organized and flow naturally. You cannot have a wall of repetitive, disjoint, and unconfused text. So now articles will flow much better with Article Forge 4.0. With this update, Article Forge 4.0 will write more coherently, giving you a true article rather than a collection of semi-related paragraphs. So this will eventually help us increase the quality of our content that we are writing with Article Forge, and that's a huge update that we are getting with our new Article Forge 4.0. Feature number 2. Excluded topics. Sometimes AI can produce information that you didn't want. Well, now with Article Forge, when we are creating a new article, we are given more control. When you're writing about a product or a service, you want your brand mentioned and not your competitors. Or maybe you generated an article in Article Forge wrote about something that missed the mark a little bit. With Article Forge 4.0, now we can go ahead and add some excluded topics right here that will tell Article Forge what topics or talking points to avoid, making Article Forge the only tool that gives you this level of control. Feature number 3. Additional user seats for team members. We know many times you are the only person trying to create articles with Article Forge, and sharing account is difficult and risky. With this new feature, you will be able to add multiple user account and control what level of access each user has, giving you full control and peace of mind. So you can go ahead and check out the user seats update on your Article Forge 4.0. So yeah guys, these are the new features that we will be getting with Article Forge 4.0. You also need to keep track of the pricing plan because Article Forge is also updating their pricing plan with this new update. So you can also check it out. And if you want to get a free trial, the link for Article Forge will be given in the description down below. Click on the link and you will be able to sign up and avail all of these amazing new features and updates with Article Forge 4.0.